If we're looking really sweaty right now, it's because our train is delayed by, what is it? 2.5 hours. So we're sitting here waiting and hopefully we will be leaving soon. We're taking the train from Alleppey to Varkala. We're at the train station right now. We ordered some food to try and make the best of it because we were hungry, and
it came with a free ice cream, which is a great idea because as soon as it got to me, it was already melted. So I guess I'm just gonna like drink it. It smells good. I don't know. It's like strawberry ice cream or something.
Oh yeah, I can smell it. It smells good. Now it's just it's a milkshake.
It's true. It's a milkshake. It's still good. It's 90 degrees out, so it's hot, but refreshing. Gotta make some shade over here. My legs getting in the sun, but
You're gonna get a sunburn?
yeah. My legs might be getting sunburned, but that's it. Give myself some shade.
Okay, it's about 2.5 hours later. Our train still is not here, but they're doing an announcement that it should arrive shortly. They did not specify what shortly means. Our train is finally here! Oh my god, I'm out of breath.
Thai coffee. Thai coffee.
What number are we?
66. And then this one.
What number?
71.
Oh.
This?
Do you know there's a bag right there?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
உளுந்தவடை பழம்பரி பிரியாணி வடை உளுந்தவடை யுவான் சிக்கன் பிரியாணி பழம்பரி தேர்ந்துக்கணும் தேர்ந்து வடை உளுந்தவடை பிரியாணி உளுந்தவடை பிரியாணி வடை உளுந்தவடை பிரியாணி உளுந்தவடை பிரியாணி வடை உளுந்தவடை
Look at the sky.
Why is it like it's got a tornado out here? It looks like that.
Yeah. We just made it and got off the train. The sky is so creepy. I feel like we need to check the weather and see There's about to be a bad storm. It's like yellow, pink, grayish.
Let's go.
Hello, yes. Oh wow, nice. A lot of space. Thank you.
That's a nice tip.
This is nice. Got a little decorative top. Yeah.
ഉഴുന്നവട ബിരിയാണി.
Today we are taking. Oh, let me start over. Today we're taking.